That no, I can't.
Okay.
Hello.
Come on, let's go this way.
Hot.
What's hot?
I am hot.
I am Dad. Nice to meet you. How'd you get a name like that? I never met anybody named Hot before.
One. And my parents named me that.
They named you Hot?
Sure.
Why did they name you Hot?
I don't know.
Oh, dang, look at the size of this plant over here. Over here. Check this out, dude. Now this one, I've never picked out of this batch. I think I want to. Next time I'm bringing tobacco. That's pretty. Ooh.
Travis, get behind me.
Yeah, I want some of that. That smells good. Tarvisio, Tarvisio, why you are Tarvisio? Why you gotta smell? Oh, I brought the wrong hat. Dang it, I brought my good hat. It's gonna get sweat all in it. Yeah, ew's right.
Now you're gonna have to buy another.
Actually,
So there's gonna be 3 hats.
actually, what you really wanna do,
Actually.
you wanna take your 5/16 and you wanna turn it to the left just ever so slightly. Actually, if you don't know what I mean. Hey, look, some actually decent graffiti.
Whoa.
Wow, that's what I said. They use more than one they use more than one color. That doesn't happen very often now. You are a tunnel.
It's so 3D looking.
You are a tunnel.
Oh, there's the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw you in it. If you can swim to safety, you get to live.
I can swim. I can swim in deep water.
Oh, that's your problem. That sounds like a Tarbas problem.
I can actually swim.
Actually, you can actually what? Actually. Watch out for the glass down here. Ooh, look at that one. It's pretty. Whoa. Look at all this water. Nice. Just make sure you step where I step so you don't break your neck. Look at this little beach over here. Watch where I go, step where I step so you don't hurt yourself. It's kind of slippery right here. Be careful.
What's that? Hi, Phil.
You okay, baby? You didn't go the way I went. I went the other way, to the left. Don't get near that water. I don't know how deep it is.
It's a beach.
It's your face.
Hey, there's a shell.
Hey, buddy, look at all these rocks over here. This is where we're going to sit down. Come on, baby. What's wrong? Did you get hurt?